Happy, happy birthday.
Yung matino gago.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. You belong to the
Anong wish mo kay Kev?
always healthy and happy.
Eh, mukha naman siyang healthy, oh. Tingnan mo naman.
Mukha lang healthy kasi malaki siya niya.
Bigel.
Basta, lagi siyang healthy at happy. And safe, you know.
What can you say,
And
Kevin?
syempre, wish ko sa kanya makagraduate
Thank you.
siya. And sana sa graduation na yun, kasama ako.
Oh, speech.
Kaso, wala naman pakialam si Kevin.
Kevin, wala ka palang
Hindi
kakilala.
naman yung naririnig yung wish ko.
Naririnig niya yun. No, Kev?